Advocates for fair courts say that independent judges are crucial and may decide some of the most important issues of our time, abortion to voting rights.
North Carolinians deserve state courts and judges that are fair, impartial, and independent.
Advocates for Fair Courts North Carolina say they're seeking three fundamental changes. One, nonpartisan judicial races. Two, ban judges from partisan politics, such as endorsing and fundraising for other candidates. And third, establish clear ethics rules that would ban judges from hearing cases involving friends and family.
This seems like a no-brainer. This is called recusal reform, which our state desperately needs, because right now judges can just decide whether or not they should hear a case or not.
The Fair Court advocates know that Supreme Court Justice Phil Berger Jr. didn't recuse himself from cases involving his father, Senate Leader Phil Berger. But Republicans wanted Justice Anita Earls, a Democrat, to recuse herself because of previous ties to plaintiffs in North Carolina's redistricting cases. She did not.
We have reason to believe that they are absolutely not motivated in any interest in preventing bias, but rather motivated by efforts to silence her as a woman of color.
Judicial races don't usually attract much attention from voters. However, this year, control of North Carolina's Supreme Court is at stake. Democrats currently control the High Court by a 4-3 margin. Justices could ultimately decide the fate of abortion restrictions that lawmakers may adopt, rule on the next round of congressional and legislative maps, and decide the fate of Leandro, the long-running battle over state funding for education.
How many of you can name just 3 of our 7 North Carolina Supreme Court justices? Less than half of them. Can you name them? And look at all the people at home going for their cell phones.
Voters may well learn the names of Supreme Court candidates as millions of dollars are expected to be spent in the upcoming election.
Let's look at their depth of experience. Let's look at their prior personal conduct and professional conduct and how they have conducted themselves. And let's not, look to whether they have a D or an R or an I next to their name.
Backers of Fair Courts North Carolina say their effort is nonpartisan. Those who support partisan judicial elections, however, say that identifying candidates by party helps voters to decide how to cast their ballot. In Greensboro, Bill O'Neill, WXII 12 News.